wheels on fire and watch my vessel
No, I don't want to get out.
Cause I've seen the shores of every time, but I still wished I was in your sea. I am buried by wandering high.
Being shy.
So Ryan's here, we're doing a quick video, okay? We are here at Busfusion 2018, first time here, obviously first time bus owner. And I've been here since Thursday. It is now Saturday, but I've been on the road since last Sunday. I'll give you a quick tour of our van, but here we are in Almonte, Ontario, the fairgrounds. And we got the best spot. And we actually had some car trouble too, so our mechanic's here fixing a couple things. Still in pretty good shape in here. Now I have Sullivan with me. At first I had my dad with me. You can see this is a camper without the propane kit, so we don't have a kitchen in it. We have all of our clothes. We just kind of store all of our clothes up top. There's a little cot up there that's not out because I am not comfortable with my son sleeping up there yet. He rolls around too much. Probably fall out. And down below is where we sleep. This folds into a bed that is plenty big enough for myself, being 6'1", and my son. We got lots of room. He kicks me a little bit in the sleep, but it's all good. Logos are on the side. Although Ron just went to go get a part to finish fixing the engine here. Started chugging on us the last leg of our trip, so luckily we made it here, but I don't know if it was going to be bad or not. I think we could have been stranded, but we're good. And we have spare parts we're trying to get rid of, so we sold a few already. All right, so behind me is a couple that I met, Mattijs and Desy. They shipped this over 3 weeks ago from the Netherlands, and they're traveling for the next 2 years, so they inspired me. They have a Vanagon here, but I'll let them speak more about what they have here. It's really cool what they're doing, and they've done some custom work. Mattij's actually a carpenter as well, so he did some custom work in there himself. He's got solar panels on it, they got everything going on, so I'll let them give the tour.